Welcome back to Longevity Talk, and if you like this content, please consider subscribing. I'm standing at what might be the most exciting intersection in human history. Three forces are colliding right now. DNA sequencing costs have dropped 1,000,000-fold in 2 decades, wearables track our bodies 24/7, and AI compute has exploded. This convergence means we can finally measure aging precisely and modify it intelligently. For the first time, extending healthy human lifespan isn't science fiction, it's engineering. Let me show you how AI will reshape longevity over the next decade. So why is this moment different from every other breakthrough you've heard about? Well, aging is finally becoming a data problem, and AI eats data problems for breakfast. We now generate billions of biological data points: your genome, proteins, metabolites, even how you sleep last Tuesday. Traditional statistics choke on this complexity. AI thrives on it. Machine learning can spot patterns across millions of variables that would take human researchers centuries to find. What's more, the tools have matured simultaneously. AlphaFold cracked protein structure. Large language models can read every longevity paper ever published in seconds. The falling cost of measurement means we can run experiments that were economically impossible 5 years ago. We're not just getting better tools, we're getting tools that learn and improve themselves. Your chronological age is just a number. Your biological age, how worn out your cells actually are, that's what matters. Right now, epigenetic clocks like GrimAge read chemical tags on your DNA to estimate how fast you're aging. They're decent, but crude. Enter AI. Deep learning models trained on hundreds of thousands of methylation patterns can predict not just biological age, but your risk of specific diseases years before symptoms appear. These AI-enhanced clocks combine DNA methylation with proteomics, the thousands of proteins floating in your blood, to create what I call aging fingerprints. Imagine feeding an AI your genome, which genes are active right now, what proteins you're making, what metabolites are in your blood, and what bacteria live in your gut. Graph neural networks connect these layers, revealing how aging pathways like mTOR, AMPK, and sirtuins interact in your specific body. Finding new longevity drugs used to take decades and billions of dollars. AI is collapsing that timeline. Generative models and large language models now mine the entire scientific literature, millions of papers, patents, and chemical databases, to surface candidates we missed. These systems can read that metformin, a diabetes drug, extends lifespan in animals, then search for chemically similar compounds with better safety profiles. Protein structure prediction changed everything here. AlphaFold-style models can now predict how proteins fold and interact with stunning accuracy. Generic health advice is dying. AI-powered personalization is taking over. Right now, wearables track your sleep stages, heart rate variability, blood glucose, and activity continuously. Large language models can ingest all that data and translate it into specific, actionable guidance tailored to you. Not exercise more, but your HRV drops every Wednesday after late meetings. Try a 20-minute walk at lunch and move your workout to Thursday. This gets even more powerful with digital twins. Imagine a virtual model of your body, your aging trajectory, built from your genetics, biomarkers, and lifestyle. Before you start a new supplement or exercise program, you simulate it in your digital twin. Your phone's camera might soon estimate your biological age from your retina, skin, gait, even your voice. Frailty screening without leaving home. Clinical trials are the bottleneck. They're slow, expensive, and need thousands of participants. AI is fixing this. Adaptive trial designs use machine learning to adjust dosing and endpoints in real time, finding answers faster with fewer people. Meanwhile, the lab itself is getting automated. Robot scientists, closed-loop systems where AI designs experiments, robots execute them, and AI analyzes results. The pace of discovery isn't linear anymore, it's exponential. Gene and cell therapies are the ultimate longevity tools, and AI is guiding them. CRISPR can edit genes, but which genes should we target? AI models rank thousands of candidates by their impact on aging pathways and their safety profiles. Early work focuses on rejuvenating specific tissues, rebooting the thymus to restore immune function, or reactivating muscle satellite cells to fight sarcopenia. Partial cellular reprogramming is another frontier. Yamanaka factors can rewind a cell's age, but too much and it becomes cancerous. On the nutrition and microbiome side, AI recommends diets and probiotics based on your gut bacteria and glucose response. Let's be honest, AI isn't magic and it can fail. Dataset bias is real. If longevity AI trains mostly on wealthy white populations, it won't work well for everyone else. Models can overfit, finding patterns in noise rather than biology. Regulation is catching up. The FDA and EMA are developing pathways for AI decision support tools and for accepting biomarkers like epigenetic clocks as trial endpoints. Economic and equity concerns loom large. If AI-driven longevity is expensive, it could widen the gap between rich and poor. The goal is adding healthy years to all lives, not just those who can afford concierge medicine. So what's actually coming, and when? In the next 1 to 3 years, expect more accurate aging clocks you can access commercially, better AI sleep and metabolic coaching apps. You'll see measurable improvements in VO2 max, glucose control, and strength metrics for people who adopt these tools early. In 5 to 10 years, the big stuff arrives. Validated digital twins informing clinical decisions. The first senolytics proven to work for specific age-related conditions. This is the decade where longevity science graduates from interesting research to standard medical practice. Here's what you can do right now. First, measure. Get a biological age test if you can afford it, DNA methylation or advanced proteomics. Track your basics: sleep, activity, glucose if possible. Data is power. Second, personalize. Use AI tools that are already available. Third, validate. Be skeptical. Demand evidence. If someone promises immortality, run. Stay informed because this field moves fast. Subscribe to channels like this one that translate the science without the hype. AI won't add years to your life by itself, but combined with good science, personal action, and smart policy, it's the most powerful tool we've ever had to fight aging. Thanks for watching Longevity Talk. If this video changed how you think about aging and AI, hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. The longevity revolution is happening now, and you're part of it. I'll see you in the next one, where we'll dive even deeper into the science of living longer and better.